This presentation will review several key strategies for being successful in distance learning courses. This tutorial can be summed up in 4 words: be proactive, not reactive. To be successful in an online environment takes a well-defined commitment on behalf of the student. Many students assume that online courses are easier than on-ground courses. As demonstrated in the side road videos, such an assumption can lead to a failing grade and a reluctance to take online courses in the future. Online courses are like anything else in life. You will get out of it what you put into it. Let's take a look at 3 key strategies for success in distance learning courses. You should log into your online course at least 3 times a week. The key to succeeding within the class is to actively participating in it. The less engaged you are with the content of the class, with the instructor, or with the other students, the less chance you will be successful. Therefore, if you have questions about anything in class, ask them. Many instructors set up specific discussion boards designed for students to answer questions from other students. Many also include frequently asked questions for students to get answers before asking them. Instructors always welcome questions from students. Within the course information section of your course, you will see the various ways in which you can contact your instructor. Many online instructors require that students participate in groups to complete certain projects or other assignments. Online groups have many of the same characteristics as groups in face-to-face classes. For example, in both, you typically choose roles, dole out the work, brainstorm ideas, make decisions, set deadlines, collaborate to create a final product, etc. The obvious difference online is that you're not working with the rest of your group members in person. However, there's nothing that says that you can't schedule a meeting in a library, in a coffee house, or a pizza parlor. Realistically, though, most of your group work will be done online. Before you take an exam online, try to get as much information about it as possible. Some other pointers include: review actively. Pay attention to troublesome points or questions and ask your instructor for clarification before you take an exam. For an essay exam, practice writing short paragraphs on topics covered in class. Anticipate the kinds of questions the instructor might ask. Make up a test yourself and see if you can answer the questions correctly. Set up a study group or schedule a study session with individuals in your class. Ask each other questions and discuss important concepts. As mentioned before, you will get out of the online course what you put into it. However, if you find yourself confused, uncertain, or just plain stuck on a section in an online course, do not hesitate to find out your instructor's office hours and pay him or her a visit. This too is a form of being proactive and should not be overlooked. Always remember, good online instructors will build in tools that students can use to help themselves be successful. Good online students will use critical thinking to find and implement those tools. However, if all else fails, ask. Thank you for viewing this presentation. Please go ahead and complete the activity for this module. After completing the activity, you may then complete the final quiz and finish up the tutorial.